Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh and welcome back to Unix shell programming tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing a shell program to check which one is the greatest number out of two numbers using if-else statement. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. So as I already told you that I will be using if-else statement, and this is the syntax of if-else statement. So if the condition gets satisfied, then the control will come inside the if to execute this statement. If this condition didn't get satisfied, then control will come to the else block to execute this statement y. Okay, so now we are writing a program to check out of two numbers which one is the greatest number. So to write the program, we need to ask the user to enter two numbers. So when user will be entering two numbers in our program, we need to create two variables which will hold those values. So we require two variables, let us say a and b. Okay, let us suppose user enters 20. Okay, then 30, then 20 gets stored inside a and 30 gets stored inside b. So our program needs to check for the condition, and in that condition we need to compare both of these values. Then based on that comparison, we need to print appropriate output. Okay, so let's first write the code to accept these two numbers. Read hyphen p space double quote, enter first number double quote space a. Okay, next read number double quote b. Okay, suppose user enters 20, 20 gets stored inside a, 30, then 30 gets stored inside b. I will check using if else statement. If space to open square bracket, if dollar a is greater than hyphen gt, you need to put space here also. Okay, space hyphen gt space dollar b space close two square brackets, then put semicolon, then you need to use then. Okay, if this condition becomes true, that means if a is greater than b, then echo dollar a is large, else echo dollar b is large, and then end if. So how this program works is, suppose as I have mentioned here, the value stored inside a is 20 and b is 30. Okay, next those values will come here. A is having 20 and b is having 30. Then this condition gets checked. 20 is greater than 30. No, condition becomes false. If this condition becomes false, then control will not come inside the if. Control will come outside the if, actually inside this else part. So this b is large gets executed. You will get the output as 30 is large. If suppose you have 40 stored inside a and 20 stored inside b, then condition checked here. 40 is greater than 20. Yes, condition becomes true. That's why control will come inside the if to execute 40 is large. Okay, so this is how you can write a simple program using if else statement to check out of two numbers which one is the largest number. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.